Good evening, everyone. I welcome you all on this platform of SSB Online Tayari. So today we are practicing with group discussions, and our topic is how cleanliness and hygiene condition in India can be improved. First subpoint is conducting awareness drive. Second is providing efficient, affordable facilities to people. Third is using laws. Start the discussion.
Good evening and Jai Hind to one and all present here. As per me, according to me, the topic we have taken, the hygienic conditions and cleanliness. So it depends on the people. It starts from the particular person, from an individual person. So according to me, conducting awareness drive is the basic solution for this. If we will conduct awareness drive, that means we will start giving campaigns, or we will just start having some camps, awareness camps about the cleanliness and what are its use, what are its benefits, or what can be the negatives if we don't implement them. If we use them, then I think definitely India can lead towards a towards, like, we can lead towards a clean India, hygienic India, and we can get rid of so many diseases that are just like spreading due to uncleanliness and unhygienicness.
Exactly.
So according to me, conducting awareness drive is the basic solution for this.
Yes, yes, I agree with the fellow lady that this conducting of awareness drive is very important. As we have seen after the change of the government in 2015, our Prime Minister has come up with the best initiative, that is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Every till this day also, all the citizens are following Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. They all are keeping their societies, keeping their environment clean. And see, the thing is, if the leader is spreading this message, then all the citizens are his followers. So they have to follow that. And also, we have seen in the UP government, they have come up with a scheme that is open defecation free India. So in that, what exactly government has done? They have built up the toilet facilities in the homes where the toilet was not there, and in the poor families they have constructed the toilets. So it is a good initiative because, as mentioned by the fellow lady, that it helps in eradicating many diseases, because keeping hygienic conditions is very necessary. And if citizens are not getting safe drinking water, then it will be very difficult to people to survive.
Agreeing with this, sir, I would like to add one point. Not only in UP, in like initiated by PM, those who belong to government and toilets in their home, so that and that is good. Also, one more thing I would like to add: the other subpoints are also
These are some medium.
these are not the only mediums. We can just go, as some NGOs and organizations are also working. They are just going by door to door, and they are just making people aware about the things going around them, about the schemes, about the things, about the initiatives government has started.
Yes, mm, state government and central government, they both are doing and improvising such type of schemes, and they conduct awareness camps in villages so that all the villagers are aware about it. They are conducting door-to-door campaign. The they make panchayat and they aware about it. They aware villagers about it.
And yes, as the fellow gentleman has told, like that NGOs are also supporting this movement. Yes, I truly agree with, because on the radio I have listened once that they were volunteering the citizens that they can come forward, they can help all the citizens by spreading the messages that they have to keep their environment clean, they have to keep their societies clean. And we have seen in the hilly areas also, like especially at the tourism places like Manali, Kulu, there citizens have uh, like littered the garbage over there. So many NGOs have went there. They have collected that garbage, and they have spread the messages to the citizens that they need to put the garbage in the dustbin. And so it is a very good step that NGOs are coming forward and spreading the good messages to the society.
One thing that I want to conclude here, that government should to implement some laws for this cleanliness.
Yes.
Yes, I am agree with you,
Yeah,
Prince, that the government make a laws and the people also follow the laws. It is not that the government make laws and people are not following that laws. If people are not follow this law, then we can't say that our India become improving in cleanliness.
I
To
totally
follow
agree with
these
the
rules,
Rajendra
we
what
have
he
to make
said.
a honest person.
Depend upon the situation. Depend upon the situation right now, we have to do it because Swachhta Abhiyan is not today's program. It is all over the adapted, because this program where it is sourced at in India, we have to aware the cleanliness drive, because as we can see, because lots of time the municipalities and all other state government has been, because as we know that the indoor is a top one in a cleanliness drive. Yes, because right now the indoor become top one in every time. But every time the top one indoor become top one indoor shows that there is a lots of time the municipalities has been awareness to the people that there should be the cleanliness drive in every time, and they should make it the on to the proper users of the all the cleanliness programs and all. Yet another, there is the same problem was happening to the Mysore and Gandhinagar as well, because in Gandhinagar, Mysore, at these two places where urban cities and as well as rural side are both located. Hence, they are achieving their goals and SDG in the form, and hence they will make it onto the achieve on time.
Yes, I truly agree with the fellow gentleman that we have seen that there is lot many schemes going on, and I must add my point also that government is providing efficient facilities to the public. As we go to the bus stand, as we go to the railways, go to the metro stations, all at all spots where public is being assembled, government is providing restrooms, government is providing public hygienic centers where they can go, where they can go, because
Yes,
we have seen that open defecation is very high in our country. So government has properly implemented the infrastructure for the health and hygiene center.
so yeah, there are few things that you need to follow to be an honest
Yes.
person. So the thing that's the thing that is implemented by our government. So all the rules that we followed by an honest person. So you should also focus on the river system, and do not use of the plastics and any garbage so to the roads, and also focus on and the most thing that should we have to focus on the water sustainability, and all the things that can be made. That's all the things that can be made by our government. So we should all the focus to be an honest person, not cheating. So, yeah, there are few things that you need to follow to be an honest person. So that you need to follow to be an honest person. So that you need to follow to be an honest person. So that you need to follow to be an honest person. So that you need to follow to be an honest person, not cheating. So we should all the focus to be an honest person, not cheating.
if we are talking about the conducting awareness among the people, so there are many things. By the posters, we all see posters for providing for awareness of cleanliness. There in some stations, bus stands, and all other areas. It is available. So by reading those, by approaching those things, people can be aware, and government is doing those things.
Yes, I truly agree with him that we can do many things by spreading the messages through posters and all. Adding more point that we can create the social media campaigning for health and hygienic schemes, whatever government has come up. Okay, because these days are like good amount of population is connected on internet. They are using Facebooks, they are using various platforms of social media. So with the help of YouTube, we can shoot one good videos with the famous personalities. With our in that our prime minister must be included, so that the citizens can watch those videos, watch those social media campaigning, and they are like motivated to follow that kind of steps which our government is taking.
One thing that I want to conclude here, that it should be very clear that every person should have those kind of equipments, technical equipments. After that, we can say that by providing those videos on YouTube, that would be then good for the people, for the conducting awareness.
Yes, you are
Yes,
right.
I do agree with the gentleman. And talking about the creating awareness in the people, I think we should start with the individual. If one individual will be aware, then all the public will be aware. Change starts from the small things. So I would like to add that we should start the initiative from the schools. We should from the schools we should tell the children that how it should be done, what we do have to for keeping our surrounding clean. We should not throw the garbage here or there. So changes come from the small steps. So I would like to include that we should start it from the very basic thing. With the very basic thing, we should keep children aware. We should also we just have to start these campaigns in the remote areas, as they just like to live and earn their livelihood only. They doesn't know about anything else going on around them. So we just have to aware them also.
Ma'am, I am partially agree with
Yes,
you.
communication
As you told,
communication
See,
awareness
I
is also
also
a very
agree with it
important thing.
because
Exactly.
situation
I
right
agree
now,
with your point.
the people let
But
it down, because as of now, see, everybody is aware regarding the programs. What the situation is right now, if you right now facing, the situation right now is facing people is just like that the people aware, lots of the people aware, but people make it thrown out all of the garbage in every each and every time. People just want it, just like they want a circular from the municipalities and all regarding these things. People are very much aware of these things to do it. The situation is that when people make it such activities a recent problem, it happens. So where all these things create the most of haphazardly, people make it, don't follow it. Even for that, when it comes to the another issue, just like they are not follow this one trending program, because right now the Modi government has also enacted it that the people should follow people should follow Swachh Bharat. There is a lots of problem regarding the Swachh Bharat, because 1,500 the households of the people are not following in a everyday day-to-day basis. So they do it in a haphazardly in the way.
I agree with you, gentlemen. I must add my point also that if the these hygienic work is going on, okay, like we see in the various the dirty places, the Group D people, these hygienic workers are working there. So the safety must be provided to them. As fellow gentleman has added this point, the safety equipments must be provided to them so that they are safe while doing the work, and so that they are not like bind up with certain diseases in future. So that is very important point over here.
Yes, I think the government is providing such a type of facilities in very low cost, so that all the citizens can take it. Now, as we see in
So
JEE
how we
examination, the government provides sanitizer and mask at free of cost. They doesn't take any charge for it. Therefore,
Yes.
their priority is safety and security of the citizens and sanitization.
so the main
Yes,
point is
and
to how to aware the children. We have to focus on the we have we have teach them to how to cleanliness occurred, and we have to teach the government is we should focus on the government school to how to teach them in the manner. So so that the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan that the initiative taken by the Pradhan Mantri Mr. Narendra Modi. So 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 we should
As this,
focus on those children, how to create in their minds. That that's why the literal person cannot do things because they know how to implement these things. So these kinds of
Now,
things are doing by the literal person who don't know how to
now
care themselves or how to prepare themselves.
people are aware about their responsibility to make proper sanitization because they are aware about it. They are becoming a member of such type of campaigns and they spread through it their family members and neighborhoods so that they also do such type of things.
I do agree with you, gentlemen. And also, I would like to add that we all know that the initiative of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has started a few years ago, and still we have not reached our goal so far. So the thing is, we have not reached our goal. That is true, but we have achieved something. At least we have seen changes in that. Uh, we observed that India has got freed from a few diseases. It is announced that no now each and every house has toilets and like has a toilet. They do not go outside. So we have observed changes. A bit more is to be done. That can only be done through the awareness.
Yes, there are various ways in which
After
you can keep
providing
the country
awareness
clean.
only, we can just provide them the facilities. We can just make if they doesn't they don't follow at the last, therefore then only we can just apply laws and everything. So basically first comes the awareness. Only due to awareness we have seen these changes.
Yes, ma'am, I am agree with you that this is totally dependent on humans, how to clean our society.
yes,
There are various ways in which you can
I'm
keep the
agree with
country
you.
clean. One of the first and the most important is to stop littering the roads and public places. It would be the best if you started thinking of way if a person litter. If a person litter, then it's impact then its impact also fall on the other person. Then all are focused on how to care about it.
We
Yeah,
can
just
also
so that
improve our.
I think yes, gentlemen, go ahead. Don't stop.
Yes, I
I
think
want to add some.
at now all the citizens are most of the citizens are aware about it. They know
Hmm.
their responsibility, but there are few citizens don't know this because they are not s- they doesn't take it like that this is their responsibility, so
Yeah,
we cannot
I am
say
agree
that
with you that
personally,
for
I would like to add some points. I would
Initiative.
like to add some
So by the
points.
only initiative, we cannot clean ourselves. We should be honest to those laws. We should be an honest to those laws that can be created by our government.
I would
yes
like to add
Yeah,
some
but
points. If you want to improve our cleanliness in India, we can also give a person who are aware about the cleanliness. We can award them so that the people who are seeing that the people who the person is he awarded by the government, so that we can also improve. Cleanliness India.
See, awareness and all these things are the good, but relating the problem, there is a one difficult main problem is happening just because there is a this one sanitation problem. Means when we talking about the awareness, there's a lots of people has been come across various types of diseases regarding the sanitation problem, sanitation and as well as drinking water. Because when we see that regarding our environment as well as where the lots of issues has been coming across, so sanitation problem regarding the main issues and as well as the where in this program they also included the sanitation problem because their aims into the 2027 they aimed at the sanitation will be there in each and every house. So where the problem regarding the sanitation will be there, but the cleanliness is very much less because we see that the all type of sanitation problem just because happening there when you watch this one, the recent movie the Akshay Kumar has been made, this one uh, uh, as well as the Bhumi Pentegar movie. I don't remember the name of the movie. The recently
Films
they
can
include
also produce.
Toilet.
yeah, Toilet Ek Prem Katha, right? I totally right this one. Those who is paid, sweetie, I totally agree. Because Toilet at the Prem Katha, they issued all the problem where it is has been recent. The problem has been across where the today when the newly married people come across and live into the city, live into the rural place, and where all the problems happen. Just because don't have a toilet, they don't live into the same house. Same happens just because when this awareness program is not will there because people know it very well how to start and how to finish it, but the recent people those who don't know regarding they have not having the awareness and social campaign and problems. So these all the things happens as well as there is one more major drawback is that people are not this one not hand means not making themselves to hand because there's a lot of people happen because we don't care about the people who throw out the garbages, so we should respect each and everyone regarding the issues and know it very well.
Yes, I think that the all 3 points are important because firstly we have to aware the population about it, how they use, them, they make their facilities, and after it, the government should provide such a type of facilities in very cheap cost so that all the people can afford it, so that they doesn't
So,
it is like that.
so now
See,
it's
according to the WHO, nearly 26% of total mortality in India relates to communicable diseases that are just spreading lack of proper sanitization or poor hygienic conditions and increasing pollution. So
Communication
these
disease
are the
also.
major causes in spread of communicable diseases.
One more thing that I want to conclude here, that Datta were saying about that awareness. So we cannot conclude, we cannot take the whole country. There are some places, just like rural areas, in some rural areas, these kind of things are happening that the people are not aware about those things. But we cannot conclude the whole.
So you are not aware. This is a disadvantage for you because you if you are not clean then many diseases and illness can occur in your body, and many
Yeah.
communicable disease also spread from one person to other. So
Yeah,
you can
I think,
care about it and also spread it to other person by
yeah, I
any
think
means for
Kajal, she
essay
wants
and
to tell it everything.
by
So I think
rallies
Kajal
and
want to
many
tell
other things.
anything. Kajal, you want to
yes, yes. Kajal, please
Please
give
give-
your point.
Many diseases spreaded by hygienic conditions, the poor.
Yes, go on. Okay. So the thing is, like guys, we have discussed a lot many points about the cleanliness and hygienic conditions in India. We have discussed various steps like conducting drives, like I discussed like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The UP government has come up with open defecation free India, and like also we have discussed various laws like if we go to the public places like to the railway station, to the airport, spitting is banned. If you spit over there, you have to pay fine, or you also you will be given the punishment for 1 year bar, like something like that. Okay, so strict laws have been implemented, and we have discussed many points. Also, if any one of you can volunteer to conclude the GD, you can. Okay, now we are this we are getting over with our time. Anyone of you want to
Yes, sir.
conclude the GD? You can. Yeah, go on. Fast. Yes, Savira, go on. Or
Yes,
anyone
sir.
else want to conclude?
Cleanliness is a very important
Yeah,
for us.
yeah.
So we have to make a laws to how to clean our society and our country and our states also. So the first thing is to be make laws and then implemented it, and the third is to follow it by all the people in our villages and other backward and rural areas. So so the things are that we have also focused on our river system and we have our river system and our roadways and the government initiative that's like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and many other things that took by our PM Narendra Modi and if we are not care about it, so we also fall on this disadvantage. That's why, because if we not follow these rules, the illness and diseases can occur from one person to other, and all are fall. So the condition of hospitals in India is also not very much good, because that's why if we not follow these rules, we are suffering from many other diseases. So
Yes.
cleanliness is very important for our country and our states, and as well as for any person.
Yes. So with this, we have
Okay, thank
completed
you.
our good discussion today. Thank you so much, guys, for joining today's GD. Jai Hind. Take care. Bye bye.